Kelly, I can see you have a great experience in the fast food industry. But you don't have any experience as a barista. Why should I hire you?
Because you're hiring.
I don't like jokes. You already got off in the wrong foot. This is a job interview. You're not supposed to be making jokes. But I like your previous experiences, and because of that, I will give you one chance.
Thank you, Mr. Wilson.
The California's minimum wage is $20 per hour for big coffee shop chains. But I managed to break the law and pay only $16. If I pay everyone $20 per hour, there is no job for you. Are you okay with that?
Yes, I'm okay.
You can sign the contract and start today. I will sign your first check so you don't say I'm a bad boss. Here is your first week payment. Don't waste with unnecessary things.
Thank you, Mr. Wilson.
Now, go to work.
So, as you will learn, working here is not so bad like people say.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
I would like to order a cup of black coffee.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
I'll do this one.
Are you new here? I've never seen you here before.
Yes, I am. It's my first day. Do you always come here?
Yes, I do. My gym is just around the corner. I'm just waiting for my friend to arrive.
That's nice.
I guess I will be seeing you a lot.
I think so.
Maybe I could get your number. We could go for dinner or something.
Sure, why not?
What's your name?
It's Kelly, and yours?
It's Brandon. Nice to meet you.
Likewise.
Here is your cup of coffee.
Thank you. I'll text you later.
Did you give me a cup of coffee?
You didn't get me an iPhone, remember?
That's fair, I guess.
But you can have this one, because you're my best friend. Forget about the coffee, let me tell you something. I met this cute girl at the coffee shop. It's her first day, and I asked for her number.
You asked her number on her first day?
Yes, I did. What's wrong with that?
Nothing.
Are you still seeing Jessica?
Yes, why?
I was thinking if we could go on a double date.
A double date with you? No way.
Oh, come on. Help me out. You know I always get shy on my first date.
Okay, but this will be the last time. Now, let's work out.
Nancy, I'm gonna be very honest with you. Nobody in the city is going to hire you. You upset some very important people.
I know, but I really need a job right now. I really need some money.
I'm taking a big risk if I hire you. But I will give you an opportunity. You will be a housekeeper at the Plaza Hotel, but you must not tell anyone.
Thank you so much. I'm really grateful for this opportunity.
You will start tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Don't be late.
I won't. Thank you so much.
I hope I don't regret this.
Why did you take so long to arrive? I've been waiting for 15 minutes.
Sorry, Mr. Wilson. I came as fast as I could. I got a little bit of traffic.
They told me over the phone that you'll have to take my car to the service center.
Let me take a look for you and check what the problem is. This is an easy fix. I just need to replace the spark plug. It's done, sir. Your car is fixed.
Let me check that. Just a moment. That's a great job. You're a good mechanic. Here is a VIP customer card for you to use in my coffee shop. You can have free coffee whenever you want in any of my coffee shops.
Free coffee? That's great. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Now I don't have to pay for my own coffee.
Kelly, I have some great news for us.
What is it?
I got a job at the Plaza Hotel as a housekeeper.
I also got a job as a barista in one of the Starbucks coffee shops.
That's great. We're finally having some luck.
Maybe we could order some pizza to celebrate.
Let's do it.